yeah, let's get started with some Q&A with some store owners who are doing some really cool stuff on their own. Jamie, I'm going to pick on you first because I see you first right here.
Absolutely.
Uh, what are some ways in which you're engaging with your community through your laundry business? What are some of the top ways that you're doing that?
Social media, of course, and also we are trying to do community day. Just keep in mind that I am new at this. My laundromat just opened not quite a year ago, very close, but we have host a literacy day with a Black writer, and we offer free books to the kids. We also, like I said, host community day where we offer food, games, free wash, and we also partner with Fabric Health.
Okay, okay. Fabric Health. Tell me about that a little bit.
So Fabric Health is, we partner with them. They actually reached out to us. They found my laundromat in TikTok. So they reached out to me and we decided to partner. So what they do is they usually come twice a week, and they have bilingual staff there that is helping the community by facilitating healthcare services while they wait. And food stamp, any government assistance that our customers need, they are able to help them. And like I said, they have bilingual staff, so they can serve the minority community.
Right. Oh, that's awesome. I love that. Brad, how about you? Same question. What are some of the things that you're doing to engage?
Some of the top three we've got is, one, we have the Read, Learn, Play Center. It's a dedicated area for kids in our store. I think we're the only one in Austin that has one.
Mhm.
And it is amazing how not your typical laundromat. Some kids are like, oh, we gotta go to the laundromat. Come on. As soon as they let go of their mom's hand, getting in our store, they're beelining right for that kids' play area
Mhm.
and having a blast. So the kids love it, the moms love it, and the other customers love it because the kids are not terrorizing everybody and they're back there having fun and reading books.
Right.
Another area is we do free laundry day events. The last few we partnered with Current Initiatives Laundry Project,
Mhm.
and they bring volunteers, they bring supplies, and we open up our store. We get the word out on social media to everybody. I'll spend like this last round an entire Saturday calling group homes and letting them know about the event.
Mhm.
And we've had a really good turnout. I think just in the last years, we've processed, we estimate over 30,000 pounds of laundry for free for the community.
Wow. Okay.
And then the third area is a laundry voucher program we did working with nearby elementary schools. We learned that one of the biggest reasons kids are not going to school or they don't want to go to school is their clothes. Their parents
Mhm.
have to make a decision between food and clean. So we said, hey, we reached out to all the counselors, the parent support specialists is what they call them here in Texas.
Mhm.
And they loved the idea. And so we dropped off their $50 vouchers, said, you know, we leave it up to you, whoever you feel really needs it. Give these out to them. It's on an ongoing basis. This will buy them a month at a time, a couple months
Mhm.
at a time, and as long as they need to get back on their feet.
Mhm. Great programs. Brian, how about yourself?
So in our community, we are the second largest area for Illinois school system. So one of the things that we found is that their needs are not only internal with the special needs programs that they have out here. We go ahead and we bring them on during the school season on Thursdays for 3 hours, and they actually come into the laundromat learning life skills. Throughout the week, they'll also drop off with their teachers probably about 5 or 6 more children that are coming up that need these special needs life skills. So they introduce them to our laundromat. We give each one of them a free laundry card, and we put money on each one. We also give the school district $100 at a shot when a card runs down. They just let us know. so that they can go ahead and they can bring students in after hours or whatever they need. And then things that we started learning was very beneficial is their early learning childhood development. So EPEL came into our laundromat and started up a book program in partnership with High Five U46. So we have a kid zone, which has got interactive walls, a little TV in there, a bookshelf. So we fill all those things up with the books, and then the kids could take the books. We have interactive toys and Legos. It becomes kind of a little bit of a nightmare on the weekends for the team members, but for the most part, it's really good. And then community events. So we've had crafters events here in our parking lot, a food truck, and you know, it's always just kind of giving back when there's a little need of someone. We actually did that event because one of our team members here were going through some pretty tough times, so we ended up donating all that money from the whole event over to that person, and we set the whole thing up. So.
Mhm.